Welcome to my channel. Butterjoy announced to see the other video promote with their brand ambassador on February 13. So let's go to see our brand ambassador together.
哎，你是不是又忘记喝水了呢？给你准备了一个墩墩，健身、运动、逛街、露营都可以带上。
So after we saw this video promote, we got surprised of his voice in the beginning of the video promote.
哎，你是不是又忘记喝？
哎。
About the sound, it really similar to each other, and during Jimong said, our Jibu also has to visit Jimong, so this sound should be him. Special thanks to Butterjoy for your surprise, and I wish this is our Jibu sound with Jimong. And in the same day of Valentine's Day in China, our YIZHAN and Jibu posed in same shirt with his accent 502, mean I love you.